you need to calculate ARR. ARR means nothing but average rate of return. You have to assume 50% rate of tax, and you have to calculate depreciation on straight line method for this. Okay. So this is the problem for which you need to calculate ARR. Can you do this? Already we have discussed about this, no? ARR, the beginning classes. So you need to find out the profits after tax. See here in the problem, the net profit before depreciation and the taxes was given. So you have to convert this before depreciation and taxes into after tax and before depreciation. That you have to calculate. How to calculate this? Any idea? Calculating this? How to calculate this? Do you have any idea? First, you have to find out the after tax value of cash inflows. So you have to see that whether the cash inflows was given before tax and depreciation or after tax, that you have to identify, and then you have to convert them into after tax values. Okay. So how to convert this? Let us see now. Time ఉందా చేయడానికి? ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తున్నాయా? Column names నేను పెడతాను, you do that. Okay. First you take as usual whatever it is given in the problem. Year. So how many years it is given? 5 years you have to take. So profit before depreciation and tax. In short, I am giving like this: PBDT. And you have to calculate the depreciation first. And then you have to find out the profit before tax value. And you calculate the tax at 50%. At 50%, deduct this from PBT, you will get to PAT, after tax value. Okay, I am giving the column names here. So on straight line method, how to calculate this depreciation formula? You are going to remember, no? I think you remember the formula. Will you? C is equal to A minus B. And the tax you have to calculate on C. D is equal to C into 50%. And E is equal to column E is equal to C minus B. Okay. So like this you have to calculate. For the first year I will show you. The cash inflow for first year is 5 lakhs. Depreciation also you have to calculate first. What is the formula to calculate the depreciation first? Depreciation is equal to Initial investment minus scrap value there is a spelling mistake here. Initial investment or cost of project you can say. So divided by life period of project. So this is the formula. So for straight line method, okay. So what is the investment here that is given? 25,000. No, project cost is 25,000 minus scrap value is given 5,000. 5,000 and the life period is divided by 5 years. So you will get how much? 20,000 by 20,000 divided by 5. That will give you rupees 4,000. So 4,000 is the depreciation for all the years. Straight line method, no? So every year it will be the same value, 4,000. Okay, so that value you have to take for all the years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. No? Write the values that was given cash inflows here, but depreciation you have to take 4,000 for every year. So now you calculate here PBT. So that means how much you will get 5,000 minus 4,000 will get here. Result will be how much? 1,000. No? So PBT. So on 1,000 you are going to calculate 50 percentage. 1,000 into 50 percentage will give 500. You deduct from this 1,000 500. That means how much you will get? 500 from 1,000. So it will give you 500. So in the same manner, you have calculated for all the years. Second year it is 6,000. Third year it is cash inflow is 7,000. Fourth year it is given 8,000. While taking the values, you must be very careful how much the cash was given. Okay. So deduct the 4,000 from 6,000, you will get how much? 2,000. 2,000 into 50% will give you 1,000. The remaining value will be the 1,000. 7,000 minus 4,000 is 3,000. 50% will be the 1,500. The remaining value is 1,500. After tax, the profit is 1,500. So here 4,000. 2,000 is 50% tax, and the remaining profit is 2,000. So here how much? It is 6,000. 6,000. Profit after tax is 6,000. 50% of 6,000 is 3,000, and the remaining amount is 3,000. After completing this, you sum up the PBT. This is the total PAT value. E column you sum up. How much the value you are going to get here is 8,000. 8,000 is the profit after tax. So what is the average profit here? So you have to take the average profit. What is the formula to calculate ARR? ARR is equal to average profit divided by average investment. Average profit is equal to formula ఏంటి? Average profit is equal to total PAT divided by period of project. So that is equal to 8,000 we got. That will give you how much? Rupees 1,600. And average investment is equal to what is the formula? Average investment is equal to project cost minus scrap value divided by 2 scrap value. Okay. So that means how much we are going to get? Initial investment is how much? Investment is how much? 25,000, no? 25,000 minus 5,000 divided by 2 plus 5,000. 20,000 by 2, how much you will get? 20,000 by 2 means 10,000 plus 5,000. That is equal to 15,000. So now substitute in the formula ARR is equal to 1,600 divided by 15,000. That is equal to 0.1067 you will get. Convert this into percentage. 10.67%. So this is how you are going to calculate the average rate of returns.